Did you know the average SUV owner drops almost $12,000 every single year just keeping it on the road? That's brutal. But here's the good news. Some SUVs are built like tanks and refuse to quit. Today I'm breaking down 13 SUVs that deliver serious longevity, strong resale value, and way lower repair bills than you'd expect. A few of these regularly smash 500,000 miles. One can even reach a million with proper care. Stick around until the end because I'm also calling out two popular SUVs you should avoid at all costs if you want to stay out of the mechanic's shop. Number 13 is the Toyota Sequoia. Large three-row SUVs usually wear out fast, but the Toyota Sequoia plays by different rules. Built on a tough body-on-frame chassis with a proven powertrain, this full-size beast was designed from the ground up for serious durability. iSeeCars data shows the Sequoia has a remarkable 36.4% chance of hitting 250,000 miles, roughly 4 times better than the average vehicle. Plenty of well-maintained examples easily clear 500,000 miles with basic upkeep. It seats up to 8, tows an impressive 9,250 pounds, and the current hybrid V6 pumps out 437 horsepower, while still delivering around 20 mpg combined. Older V8 models sip more fuel at 1618 mpg, but overall ownership costs stay reasonable. Over 10 years, you're looking at roughly $6,869 in maintenance and repairs, well below the $1,500 annual average for most SUVs. The biggest drawback is the sticker price. A new 2025 starts around $59,000. My advice, grab a solid 2010s model or a 2020 for the added tech. You'll pay half as much and still get a vehicle that will outlast most drivers. Number 12 is the Lexus GX. If you want luxury off-road capability without the constant headaches, the Lexus GX is in a league of its own. While competitors like Jeep and Land Rover battle reliability gremlins, the GX stays rock solid across every generation, from the GX 470 to the GX 460 and the latest GX 550. It rides on a rugged body-on-frame platform with engines that are nearly bulletproof. iSeeCars reports over 20% of these luxury SUVs reach 250,000 miles, which is exceptional in this class. Most owners report minimal repairs in the first 100,000 miles, usually just oil changes and routine service. You might face a $1,000 repair around $120K, but that's far cheaper than many luxury or even mainstream alternatives. Fuel economy sits around 17 mpg combined, but you're getting serious capability at a fraction of the cost of a Mercedes G-Class. Starting prices hover around $64,000 new, making it a smart buy for families who want adventure-ready luxury without the premium repair bills. Number 11 is the Kia Sorento. Kia and Hyundai used to have a shaky reputation, but those days are fading fast. The Sorento stands as proof of how far they've come. It earns strong reliability scores from J.D. Power, matching or beating rivals like the Subaru Ascent and Honda Pilot while looking sharper than both. As a three-row family hauler, it delivers impressive 26 mpg combined and comes loaded with modern tech. The starting price around $32,000 undercuts many used luxury options while giving you fresh features and a fun drive. The real game changer is Kia's industry-leading 10-year powertrain warranty. That kind of coverage means you can drive with genuine peace of mind, knowing major repairs won't blindside you. Number 10 is the Subaru Outback. Before crossovers were everywhere, Subaru was already ahead of the curve with the Outback. Nearly 30 years later, this wagon SUV hybrid continues to prove why, if it ain't broke, don't fix it works. With quality Japanese materials and standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, the Outback delivers excellent traction, stability, and longevity. Many easily surpass 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. The 2.5L Boxer engine is legendary, but I recommend stepping up to the 2.4L Turbo for 260 horsepower when you want more punch. It's also a IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus and holds value extremely well. A 2020 model gives you the current generation look and features at a nice discount. If you push vehicles hard, this one is built for it. Number 9 is the Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot might not win awards for flashy styling, but it excels where it counts: family safety, reliability, and capability. Honda consistently ranks at the top of reliability charts, and the Pilot is a big reason why. iSeeCars data shows 17.5% of Pilots exceed 250,000 miles. The second-generation models 2009 and up offer a boxy, rugged design paired with a bulletproof 3.5L V6. Just stay on top of the timing belt service every 100,000 miles or 7-8 years to keep that engine living forever. Clear coat fatting on the hood and roof is a minor cosmetic issue on some examples, but overall maintenance costs run well below average. Number 8 is the Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is the best-selling crossover for good reason. It's easy to drive, incredibly durable, and holds value like few others. Many owners clear 150,000 250,000 miles with almost no major repairs. Third-generation models, especially around 2010, are standouts with the optional 3.5L V6 that delivers strong performance, 0-60 in about 6.5 seconds. Later 2017-2018 models with traditional automatics are also excellent. Newer versions use a 2.5L four-cylinder and CVT, but the upcoming hybrid promises 320 horsepower and even better efficiency. Number 7 is the Acura RDX. The Acura RDX is one of the most underrated luxury SUVs on the market. You can often find excellent examples for less than mainstream crossovers, giving you premium features and proven reliability at a bargain. Many 2013-2018 models share a strong 3.5L V6 powertrain with the Pilot and Ridgeline, delivering 273 horsepower through a smooth 6-speed automatic. Later turbo models are quick too. Owners routinely reach 150,000 miles with routine care, especially if you stay on top of transmission fluid changes. If you need more space, the MDX is also rock solid. Number 6 is the Toyota 4Runner. For generations, the Toyota 4Runner has been the go-to for people who actually use their SUVs off-road. It takes serious abuse on trails yet keeps running strong. iSeeCars reports 26.8% reach 250,000 miles, and JD Power gives it an impressive 86/100 reliability score. The latest models start around $42,000 with modern tech and safety features. Fourth-generation V8 models are especially legendary. Properly maintained examples have hit 1 million miles. The new hybrid option brings 326 horsepower for those who want more power. Number 5 is the Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 proves you can have fun-to-drive dynamics and bulletproof reliability in one package. RepairPal gives it a stellar 4.5 out of 5 stars, and many easily surpass 200,000 miles. It offers sharp handling, premium interior feel, and real 6-speed automatics instead of CVTs. While slightly more cramped and less efficient than some rivals, the CX-5 delivers excellent driver engagement and strong resale. 2016-2017 models are great used buys, and new ones start around $29,000. Number 4 is the Subaru Forester. Consumer Reports gave the Subaru Forester a near-perfect predicted reliability score of 98, one of the highest on this list. It's a major reason Subaru often tops overall brand dependability rankings. The symmetrical all-wheel drive, solid 2.5L boxer engine, and improved CVT with fluid changes every 30,000 miles make it nearly bulletproof. A 2020 model strikes a great balance of features and value. It holds value well and offers class-leading safety. Number 3 is the Lexus RX. The Lexus RX basically created the luxury crossover category back in 1998, and it's still one of the most dependable. iSeeCars named 2016-2022 models the most reliable luxury SUV with a 98.8% score. Both gas and hybrid versions are excellent. I recommend 2020-2022 models with the smooth 3.5L V6 and 8-speed automatic. These routinely clear 250,000 miles with minimal drama and hold value exceptionally well. Runner-up is the Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has been locked in a decades-long battle with the RAV4, and recent models are winning on several fronts. Car and Driver gave the 2025 CR-V a perfect 10/10. You get standard driver assists, excellent handling, and around 30 mpg combined. The turbo 1.5L engine and refined CVT deliver 190 horsepower smoothly. Second-generation models 2000-2006 are legends that can approach 500,000 miles, and even later ones are extremely low maintenance. Taking the first spot is the Toyota Highlander. Mechanics hate seeing Highlanders in the bay because they rarely need big repairs. This refined three-row crossover shares the 4Runner's tough DNA but adds comfort and efficiency. Engines, whether 4-cylinder or V6, routinely exceed 500,000 miles. The hybrid version delivers up to 36 mpg, beating many sedans. It's a IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, and the first-generation models, especially 2007, remain fantastic buys. Once you own a Highlander, you'll understand why owners keep coming back. Now the two SUVs you should never buy if avoiding repairs is your priority. Number 2. Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler is an off-road icon, but recent models are reliability nightmares. Electrical gremlins, death wobble, suspension issues, oil leaks, and frequent recalls have plagued them since the late 2000s. Safety ratings are mediocre for the price, and repair costs add up fast. There are far better options that cost less and cause fewer headaches. Number 1. GMC Yukon with the 6.2L V8. While the Yukon has a strong reputation overall, the 6.2L V8 brings serious risks: stalling, knocking, seized pistons, lifter failure, and expensive direct injection problems. Repairs can easily run thousands. Stick with the more reliable 5.3L or choose one of the proven options from our main list. There you have it, 13 SUVs built to go the distance and 2 you're better off skipping. Remember, your driving and maintenance habits matter more than any model. Treat these vehicles right and they'll reward you for hundreds of thousands of miles. If you want more pro tips, check out my other videos on habits that help cars hit insane mileage. Drop a comment with which SUV you're considering. I read every one. See you in the next one.